This magnificent new custom estate is nestled on 1.43 acres and spans over 3 dramatic stories. The dramatic foyer boasts a 30-foot tower with 44 feet diameter, breathtaking chandelier, double format staircase with marble steps, custom balustrades, and wrought iron details. The lower level is subterranean with a fully appointed guest suite including kitchen, laundry, and private entry, elevated to all levels. State-of-the-art Italianate kitchen appointed with the finest materials. Opulent onyx and slab granite finish throughout. Crestron system, built-in speakers, security camera and intercom system. Property was originally listed at $5,750,000. This Tuscan villa offers 10,548 square feet of sophisticated elegance, with 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 3 powder rooms. Private loggia overlooks the pool, spa, sauna, outdoor kitchen with fireplace, and entertaining areas. For a tour and additional information, contact the Canada Group